Hello viewers, Microsoft has received a new update. It includes the usual weekly security fix along with a new features according to the Microsoft. To check if you have the update, go to the main menu, then select help and feedback, then about Microsoft Edge. After the update install, the version shows as 139.0.3405.111, which has been bumped up from 102. This week's security update contains just one fix. It's marked as high severity and is related to the V8 JavaScript engine. This good news is there are no critical issues or zero-day vulnerabilities this time. Along with that, Microsoft lists a new features. The update supposedly adds a Microsoft 365 Copilot chat summarization option to the context menu. This is meant to help you quickly summarize or ask questions about the page you are viewing. However, I don't see this feature in any of my Edge browser, whether stable or preview. It might require Copilot Pro or Edge Business Edition, or could be part of a gradual or region-specific rollout. Microsoft has not given much detail, but it's listed as a new feature in the change log. If you have already received it, let me know in the comment, because I would like to see how widely it's being rolled out. It could actually be a useful addition. Other than that one security fix and the Copilot chat update, there is nothing else new to report. No other visible features, tweaks or change that I can find in the release. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.